In this video, I will show you how to replace the solar module in your Savvy Solar post cap. First thing you're going to want to do is flip it upside down and disconnect the module pigtail from the strip light pigtail. Next, either push out, or if it's snug and it's not pushing out with just fingers, you can use a back of a screwdriver to tap it out, or a hammer. We're not concerned about this module, it's the old one. Once we've removed that, then the next thing you're going to want to do is make sure that the lip inset here is clean and no residual gasket from the old module is there. If so, carefully clear it away with a utility knife and then wipe this ledge down with a damp cloth and allow it to dry, and then we can move that out of the way. Next up, with the new module that you received, it has the gasket pre-installed in the bezel. All you're going to be doing is removing the red release tape. You have the two tabs here, but to remove that, so when you're doing so, I recommend exercising caution, as if the gasket is pulling up with the release tape, simply use a fingernail or carefully use a utility knife to hold that corner down as you peel the release paper away. We'll really do this for both sides. Again, being very careful if you're going to use a utility knife, and just to start the release. And we'll peel it back. Now, being careful not to touch the adhesive with your fingers. Make sure that if the corners came up, that you carefully from the side pull them back down and make sure that there's no gap on this corner or the opposite corner. From here, we can take the 4 included screws and secure the module to the gasket, or should I say the plastic housing to the gasket. When doing so, you don't want to go more than 4 turns past hand tight. And as you do this, you will be able to see that the edge of the plastic housing actually gets slightly darker. Once you tighten the screw down enough, you'll see it stick to the adhesive. So recommend crisscross pattern as well to get them all secured down and snug. Again, be careful not to over tighten so you don't end up cracking the plastic housing. All right, from here we're going to take our post cap, and I'm going to, for the pigtail on this, I'm going to line it up with the pigtail on that and just carefully sleeve it over, and then like such, bring it up, lift it in, and then here flip it back over. I'm going to just press down on the module sides. It doesn't take a lot of force to get it to secure into place. If need be, you can also put it on a washcloth, flip it upside down, and give it extra pressure there. The final thing is to make your connection. Observe the flat spot on the male plug end and the flat spot on the female plug end. Be careful not to bend the pins. Make your connection. And then finally from here, we will want to press the switch to turn the module on. And then just cover the solar panel, make sure that it lights up, of course, and then hold it up to the sun, and you should get a red and blue charge light coming on.